super. How do you make? Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today I am going to make cucumber juice, and let's see how to prepare it. Now I will just grate it. See how juicy it is without adding any water. And now I am adding half tumbler of water. And we'll mix it once again. You can make juice in this without any current. There is no current, so I tried this and it's very good. You want to add any chili? Here is one lemon and I am adding half lemon juice and a little bit of salt. Now I am opening it and we'll strain it through a sieve. Take a spoon. I'm adding a little bit of water more to clean it fully. And now I'll press it. The juice is ready. The juice is ready and now I am pouring it into a mug. And now we'll see how it is. We'll ask Shaariq to taste it. Shaariq is on the way.
Tasty.
Tell loud, tell. Cucumber juice is very tasty.
Cucumber juice is very tasty.
Who made it? Then, before drinking what you tell? Super.